When considering what to wear for a police ride along, it is essential to dress professionally and practically. Start by checking with the police department for their specific dress code requirements, as some may have certain restrictions. Typically, a pair of dark-colored pants and a button-down shirt or a polo is a safe choice. Avoid wearing clothing with offensive language or imagery and opt for closed-toed shoes with good traction. Dress for the weather and the type of activities you will be participating in during the ride along. If you will be riding in a patrol car, wear comfortable clothing that allows for ease of movement. It is also important to consider the safety aspect of your clothing. Avoid wearing anything that could get caught in equipment or be a distraction while riding in the patrol car. Accessories such as jewelry should be kept to a minimum, and avoid wearing anything that could be considered a distraction. By dressing professionally and practically, you will be able to focus on the experience and learn as much as possible during the ride along. Remember to be respectful of the officers and the community you will be interacting with, and dress accordingly. A police ride along is a unique opportunity to gain insight into the daily life of a police officer. And by dressing appropriately, you can ensure a positive and safe experience. Overall, the key to dressing for a police ride along is to be respectful, professional, and practical, and to prioritize your safety and the safety of those around you.